I'm sitting in my room and trying to do some work, and I could hear the sound of crackling, like the trees are making a crackling sound, and that tree over there fell down. Like I saw it just coming down and bang. Like I don't know what's going on. I can hear some crackling sound right now. It is a little bit scary, I'll be honest. It is scary. It's like maybe this tree in front of me, like the way it is moving, it's like from Halloween movies or some scary movies. And last year it was really bad because like between the church and this building, the apartment building that I'm living, there were big trees and they were dry, so I always could see they're leaning toward the building. It was nasty.